Top 5 reasons why cats are definitely aliens in disguise. Let's go! Number 5. The fighter. These furballs don't need a reason. If you blink wrong, it's war. Yellow cat versus black cat. Place your bets. Number 4. Liquid mode activated. Look at this. Is it a cat? Is it water? Is it a possessed spaghetti? Cats don't have bones. They just ooze. Number 3. The nightmare fuel. You wake up at 3 a.m. and see this. Why is it on the door? Why is it staring? Ma'am, your sleep paralysis demon has whiskers. Number 2. The intrusive thought fighter. Don't do it. Don't do it. Cat, I'm gonna do it. And number 1. The fairy princess. She believed she could fly, and now she's stuck in the ceiling light, spinning like a dollar store ballerina.